Hi everyone. When I set out to do this image, I knew it could prove a little tricky. You see, my surface is shiny metal, almost mirror-like, and the subject, the four forks, are also reflective. Now my plan for this image is to have a cool glow coming off the surface, reflecting back into the camera, and some nice warm highlights also. So let's take a look how I did that. I have a single LED. It's going into a large white reflector that has a blue gel on it, and it's reflecting off the surface back into the camera. I have a little bit of a hotspot that I like because it's creating a nice gradation. Now to create those warm highlights, I have a smaller reflector here with a orange gel on it, and then I'm going to add another smaller one in also, creating a little bit more of a highlight. I quickly discovered two issues with the light hitting these two reflectors with the orange gels, and that's one, the light coming off the background has that blue gel, so the blue and the orange, it's kind of neutralizing that. Plus, I didn't quite have enough light reflecting in these front reflectors, so I added in another small reflector, and it's just barely catching the edge light from the LED, and it's just bouncing into these two, brightening it up, and really making the orange a little richer. So let's double check focus, see what we have.